We'll talk about E18 analog input disconnecting. So it is because of sometimes it's called just E18 only. So analog input disconnecting fault occurs when input on second terminal falls lower than value set parameters F633. Okay, so it means you are using one analog input. So on the terminal number 2, okay, second terminal. So there you have set it like 4 to 20 milliampere or any another signal like between the two values. So it is coming less than that setted value. So it means there could be the two reasons. One, wire is break. Second, your sensor is not working properly. And third, it could be the terminal of the VFD that is not wire is not connected properly, and could be broken, okay, from inside only. So this could be reason. So what you can check, you can check your wire, you can check your sensor, and you can check parameter setting also. Maybe you have set it that wrongly also. So what you can do, you can do these things, you check, and if after checking everything is fine, still it is showing this issue, and it is showing this alarm. So it means what happened in it means like your control card, like which is getting input on the PCB, that is damaged. So you need to repair that. Okay. So for that, you need to ask for the repair and all. And if like with these all things, problem is resolved, so you can run your VFD. If it's happened like your problem is not resolved, what you can do, you can write a mail to us, or we will help you to repair your VFD, or you can communicate with your VFD manufacturer from where you purchase. So that person will help you to resolve this. If still your problem is not resolved, you can write a mail to us. I have mentioned here email ID. So I will provide you solution. Okay, and I will share you one PDF that is bit chargeable, but it will resolve your problem, and it will help you to resolve your issue.